Hey everybody, so I got a new kitchen knife block. This is a bamboo one. This is from Kitchendao. I think that's how you pronounce the company's name. I am a big fan of magnetic knife blocks. I have one right now that I do use, and I would say that they just work great. I prefer my knives out of the drawer and on something. So if we get everything opened up, we got a solid thick block of wood here. Well, I can't say solid because there is a magnet in there, but man, that is heavy. Then we got some screws and we have our base. And all we got to do is put those 3 screws into the base and we're ready to go. All right, so once we got that installed, it is pretty solid, pretty sturdy. Go ahead and grab some knives. We'll try it out. Now the one that I already have and I use is definitely not as thick, that's for sure. So I'm curious if the magnet's any stronger in this one. And I think the best test will be with this. It should be magnetized both sides as well. Something satisfying about that click. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but I just love it. So we got a cleaver. Let's go ahead and stick some other knives on here. The back side should be, yep. Perfect. I mean, it holds several knives, holds them all very well. You got that pretty strong magnet on there. But anyway, if you're looking for a decent knife block, this one does work pretty well.